What up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. And today's a special day because we actually have a video brought to you by a sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by Auxito. They actually gave us these LED headlights for free. So we're gonna be installing them today on the Element. And let's get down to it, guys. Let's do a quick little unboxing for you. Crack these bad boys open. Bam. So it looks like we get a pair of gloves. Pretty nice. The Auxito little pamphlet. And then there they are. These are the bulbs. Oh wow, they're heavy. Oh, I was expecting them to be plastic, but they're actually not plastic. They're, feels like they're aluminum, maybe. Wow. That's a pretty good build quality, guys. Check that out. Heck yeah, dude. That's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to get these in. Man. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely some good weight to these right here, so these are definitely gonna brighten up everything that I need them for. So, all right, so let's go ahead and grab these guys out. So this is the ones that I got, I would say probably about 5 months ago, and they just haven't held up. As you can see from the day and night cycle, it's pretty rough. These did not last me whatsoever, so pretty sad. I have high hopes for these though. Alright guys, so it literally is just plug and play. Here is my headlight socket, and we are just gonna plug it right into there. Bam, and looks amazing. So I didn't think I was gonna need to do like an actual how to get in, but I actually didn't know that there's like a little swivel door right here. Lights are installed onto the Element, and I can't wait for nighttime to see the difference, because I'm sure that it's gonna be a whole lot brighter, guys. I will see you in the nighttime. Alright guys, so I've pulled up against this shipping container to show you my headlights, because as you can see, one side is super bright and the other side is basically non-existent. So from this point, we are sitting in the Element looking forward against a shipping container, and it's pretty obvious that one is pretty bright for my headlights and the other one is very, very dull. Let's get out and check what it looks like from the front. Alright, so here is the front view of my Element, and as you can see, this headlight over here, basically non-existent. This one's got way more shine to it. Let's get up close. Bam. Nothing. That is horrible visibility. And as you can see, flatline, this headlight's putting in all the work, so. Now, let's go ahead and see what the new headlights will do. We are lined up, and look at that line. I mean, night and day difference, guys. This is crazy. Look at that. Wow. I mean, that's light everywhere. This is so bright. I'm very, very pleased with these. This is crazy. Wow, I'm like speechless right now. I just can't. This is amazing, guys. Wow, I can't believe just how bright these are. I could see the whole street and like 7-8 car lengths ahead of me. I'm shining off of the stoplight up there. That is crazy bright. These things exceeded all expectations. I am so happy right now. This is so awesome. Thank you. Oh my God, guys. Yeah, if you want to get a pair of these for your car, I'm sure they have all kinds of make and models. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. I'm in shock right now. Make sure you click that link, guys, if you need new headlights, because this is amazing. Oh my God, dude. What did you think of those headlights from Auxito, huh? I am still in shock and awe. We are at our parking spot for the night, and I just wanted to finish this video up by thanking Auxito once again for giving me the chance to review those headlights, and I am just so happy. The Element really needed them. Those other ones were just not good. One was basically dead, and the other was just shooting a yellow blur of light. And I was looking through the footage, and the new ones are so bright that the autofocus on my camera was like trying to dim itself down to block out some of the light, which I thought was hilarious because the video at this point does no justice for it. It's so bright, and the video was like cutting in and out of the brightness. It would like pick and choose when it wanted to see how bright it was, and I find that to be so interesting. Once again, guys, my affiliate link will be down below in the description. Feel free to hit that link. Go check out their website. It's not going to hurt you, and it's definitely going to help the channel, and I know you guys like helping me out because I see it in the comments all the time. So once again, Auxito, thank you guys for these lights. They are stellar. Please, also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Hit that share button. Maybe get this video out there so other people who might need headlights could see it. I know some of you at least got to have Facebook. Share it to your Instagram stories. It helps me out. And if you want to see more videos like this, heck, even ring that little bell. It helps. It helps. Trust me. I watch videos too. It's the same. If you want to see somebody, you got to ring that bell, man. Alright guys, have a good night.